Hello, is the voice audible now? हेलो हेलो। हाँ, अगर साउंड आ रहा है तो चैट में लिख देना। साउंड आ रही है? हेलो हेलो हेलो, साउंड आ रही है? ओके। साउंड आ हाँ, हेलो। सो नाउ विल स्टार्ट द वीडियो। और अगर किसी को डाउट है कोई भी तो चैट सेक्शन में लिख देना। आई आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एट द एंड। सो फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट लाइक बेसिकली इस वीडियो में 4 पॉइंट्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो द 4 पॉइंट्स आर फर्स्ट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डीएसए। सो लाइक डीएसए का ओवरऑल क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होता है, लाइक कॉलेज के जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स है उसमें, या फिर जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होता है, जो प्लेसमेंट्स या इंटर्नशिप्स हो रहा है उसमें। और उसके बाद जो एक क्वेश्चन है कि अगर हम डीएसए कर रहे हैं तो इज़ सीपी रिक्वायर्ड, or if we are doing only DSA, is that fine for sitting in placements? So that question will check. And then what projects are needed? So इसमें लाइक क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स, कुछ सजेशंस वगैरह कर सकते हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं अगर नहीं किए हैं तो, या जो भी और क्वेश्चंस है प्रोजेक्ट्स रिलेटेड तो वो भी सब डिस्कस कर लेंगे। एंड देन हाउ टू गेट इंटर्नशिप्स, बिकॉज इंटर्नशिप्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ़ वी आर सिटिंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स, या अगर हम थर्ड ईयर में इंटर्नशिप के लिए बैठ रहे हैं। ओके। सो इफ़ वी आर सिटिंग for internships like in the third year, so few companies require some previous internships experience, so we can get some virtual internships also before get like applying for the internship in third year. So then we will check all those like points, so how we can apply for internships and then get selected for that. So first one is the DSA part. So if we just okay, so here we'll get many videos, but uh, for like applying DSA we have to first check out the theory part. So for learning DSA we can use Geeks for Geeks. Hi Harshit, at what month does companies come for internship? Okay, so basically companies come like in all the months mostly, that is starting from July till March or April. So in most of the months like companies are coming. So like for the entire year you can expect some companies, but it is like not pre-decided like which company will be coming in which month. So that one you'll get from your placement team. So yeah, that is for the internships. Okay, so like if we check out this page on Geeks for Geeks, so there are many data structures that are there and that are like very important for placements and internships. So we can check out all of these things, and we can also then try first we have to like revise all the theory concepts for all of these data structures. And then for algorithms, there are many algorithms that are mentioned here, and we can also do a course that is provided from Stanford, and that is free on Coursera. So from Geeks for Geeks, we can revise or we can learn all these topics that is for data structures. And we can also try some courses if we want. So like they are also providing many courses for DSA, so that also we can check. And from Hacker Earth, there are some tutorials for many topics, so it is like starting from very basics. So from here also we can learn the theory part, and we can also check some specific topics if we don't if we have some issues in that, or if we have some doubts in that. So from here also it is a great source for learning. And yeah, this is the course that is provided on Coursera. So if we are trying to learn some good algorithms, so then we can check out this course also. And for the practice part, we can check out many websites, that is many coding websites are there. For example, Lead Code, HackerRank, CodeChef, Codeforces and all. So you can check out any of this, and then you can practice some specific problems also on this. So for Lead Code specifically, I have already made a video. So in that I have explained how Lead Code can be used so that it is giving the best results. And there are some other websites also for coding. So here we can check out the problem section, and then we can like try to do or try to solve any code or any topic, like any relevant topic for this. And here are also some groups of questions like top interview questions and top 100 liked questions. So if we are not sure where to start, so we can start from these categories. So that is basically for the DSA part. And if we are like, if we don't have any idea how to start, we can check out Hacker Earth or Geeks for Geeks, and then we can practice some of the questions from any coding website. And we can also code on Geeks for Geeks, they have a separate programming section for this. And if we are talking about CP, that is competitive programming, so that is not very necessary for sitting in placements, because there are very few companies that actually need CP. And if we are like targeting for like companies like Amazon, Microsoft, then we can also crack those companies by just using DSA, by just learning DSA. And there are some other companies that require specific CP concepts or CP questions. So some of them are like Uber, Google, and all, Code Nation. So some of these companies are like they are more relevant to CP. So if you are good in competitive programming, so then you can try out these companies also. And if it is not coming to your campus, then you can also try to apply for those companies in off campus. And if we talk about projects, so if you are doing any project from your coursework or like in any year of your course, like in any course, like it can be either web development, app development, or any networking project or any DSA project. So all of those are good if you are doing it on your own. And if you are like taking it from somewhere and if you don't know how to implement that and how this project is made, then it is of no use. And like many times we like directly take codes or directly take projects from many websites like GitHub and all. So if we are mentioning those projects in the resume, so that will not be helpful and it can be problems, like it can create problems for us. So if we are doing any project, it can be of any domain and it should be like made up, like it's like we should have made that project. And if we are making any Android application, so if like we should try to create an Android, like put it on Play Store. So create an account and put it on Play Store if we are making any apps. If we are having any websites or any web apps, so we should try to deploy it, and there should be some URL for that project. And if possible, you can mention it on your resume along with the project name and all which you have mentioned. And if you are in like in AI or ML, so you should have some GitHub repo for that, and like with all the codes and all, and a demo video if possible. So for projects, you can follow these things. And if you want to learn any, like if you want to learn any project, so you can find out those things on Google, YouTube. So if we are looking for web development project, so here we can find like many ideas are there, and we can like try out any of the project. So first we should try to learn the basic things. So for example, if we are doing any web dev projects, so we should first try to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If we try to use any specific framework like Angular or React, then we should first learn that, and then side by side we can make some projects also. And same is for Android and all, like if you want to develop a games or develop apps, so you can check out some examples on like YouTube, so that also you can follow. And finally is how to get internships. So for internships, I will recommend only two websites. First is LinkedIn and second is Internshala. So if we check out the jobs section, here we can check out software intern or software development. Now here we can find many internships and we can simply apply on any of these, and we can check out some of the like description of this internships. So based on that we can apply in many internships that we want, and we can also filter it out by companies. So if we try to apply for Amazon, so now here we can see all the internships that are given, like that are provided from Amazon. And if we want to do some small internships, like if we are not if we don't know many things about this, if we are looking for computer science internships or any electronics internships, we can here filter it out by some categories. So if we don't have any filtering, so we can get all of these. And here we can set our preferences. So we are looking for internships if we want work from home, and then we can like select some of the fields in which we want to work. So if we are looking for data science, computer vision, image processing, software programming, and then web dev, UI UX, so we can save it. And here then we can check this out, so it will be showing all the internships based on our preferences. So here we can see that there is one internship from BookMySo. The duration is 6 months, start date immediately, stipend and all. So from this also we can check out some internships. And here we can also select the maximum duration. So if we want 1 month internship, we can apply in these companies, and there are many internships that are available. So from here also we can apply in any company. So suppose if we are applying for this company, so this is for 2021 intern, so that is if you are in third year. Okay, so that is sophomore, that is second year or higher, so that is second year or third year. And then more details you can check it in this one. So if we click on apply here, it will refer to another page that is for the Salesforce website, and there is one easy apply feature, so you don't need to go anywhere and you can directly apply from this LinkedIn website. So suppose if we are trying to apply in this company, okay, so if we are trying to apply in this company, we can simply click this button, easy apply, and then we have to like give a small write up and then click on submit application. So now it is showing applied just now, and then you can see your application, like what all you have applied and some of the like opportunities that you have saved. So similarly you can apply in some other companies also. So this is the way like we can find many internships in this way, and then we can apply in all of this. So if you are like new to this and if you don't have much experience, you can check out Internshala, because here mostly like many small companies are also there. So if you are like starting this, you can start from this website, and you can find any like web dev or app dev or anything, software development, engineering positions also, like for internships. So from these two websites you can apply. And like there are many more websites also, but if you are like checking out these two websites, it will be like more than sufficient. And there is also Google Jobs profile. So from here also you can search any job or any internship that you want. So if I'm looking for software intern, so here there are many. Okay, so this is like basically from Google, only from Google. Okay, so in this way you can also find some other internships and all. So from here also you can apply. So this is like if you are generally applying for any company, but in this you can also get referrals from someone. So here like if is the person that has posted this job, so you can also directly contact this person and you can talk if you are like fit for this role. And you can also get referrals from the people who are currently working in the companies, so that is also a good way. And it helps you in getting like it helps you in, like it the chances of getting selected for the online the coding round is also higher if you are trying, if you are getting a referral for that company. So if it is possible to get referrals, so you should try that. But if it is not possible, it doesn't affect much for internship roles. But if you are uh, looking out for full-time roles, then it is better to get some referrals also. Okay, so that was all regarding today's video. And if you have any doubts regarding any of this thing or anything else, you can put out in the comment section. And there is one important announcement, that is from the next video I have created another channel, and I'll be using that channel for creating another like more videos, and I've put that in the chat section. So that is the first link, you can scroll up. Okay, so this is the channel that I'll be putting the new videos on, so you can subscribe it now. Okay, so now I'll start with the questions answer. Okay, so okay, Riddheshwar. So DSA is like data structures and algorithms. So it will be a subject for you in your college also. So it is uh, like okay. So in computer science, like you have to learn data structures and algorithms. So how the things work, and for building some softwares, like if you are good in DSA, you can think out or you can figure out some better approaches or some optimized approaches for solving any problem. So this is basically problem solving skills, and if you are like doing DSA, so it helps you in improving that. Okay, hi Sham. Give me a 3 to 4 months roadmap for DSA preparation from scratch. Okay, so for this thing, for like specific for DSA preparation, I'll make another video. So that will be a recorded one, and I'll try to put it in December maybe. Okay. Hi Anish, is it like only third years students are allowed for internships? Okay, so like if you are in college, so mostly they allow only third years for internships. But if you are in first year or second year and you want to do any internship, then you have to apply offline, like off campus internships, as you may have heard. So from there also you can get internships. Okay, hi Harshit, how many companies come for Super Dream internship? And mostly, approximately, how many students crack Super Dream internship? Okay, so like if I talk about my batch, so for my batch around 70 to 80 students I think have got internship offers from on campus, like including on campus and off campus. So if you are getting internship from on campus, it is very good, but if not, you can always apply from off campus also, and there are many companies that are hiring off campus, so there also you have a good chance of getting any internship. Okay, hi Akshay, कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, कितना करे, बाकी डेवलपमेंट में इंटरेस्ट है, तो इनसे प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी क्रैक हो सकती है. ओके अक्षय, तो ये लाइक हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर दिए थे लाइक वीडियो में कि देर आर डिफरेंट कंपनीज दैट आर लुकिंग फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लाइक roles, and they have different work profiles also. So if we are applying for companies like Microsoft या Amazon, so जो basic DSA skills है that is sufficient for cracking these companies. But if you are trying for some other companies like Google, Uber, and Coordination and all, and like MediaNet, DirectEye, so these companies require CP, that is competitive programming. And if you are looking out for these companies, then you should try to start CP from now, so that will be better for your preparation. And English communication कैसे improve करें? Okay, so you can try some mock interviews, or like mock interviews you can do, because in that the other person you may not know, like with a random person. So in that case, if you're not knowing that person, you'll like mostly converse in English. So like using that way you can improve your English maybe. Okay, hi Vincent, I am in class 12th, can you please give some tips for VT? Okay, so if you are like sitting for any exam, you should try to solve some sample papers, like sample question papers, and like many of that you will get on internet. So like if you search this on internet, you will find many sample papers. So like this you can find out many sample papers. So I think that is the best way to practice if you are looking it specific to VIT. Okay, hi Karthirashan. What skills do you think we should build on which will be knowledgeable as well as useful in placement? Okay, so I will mostly suggest that if you are interested in web development, then you can try that. So if you are interested in web development, you can try that out. Or if you are interested in Android or any AI ML game development, UI UX, or anything that you feel relevant. So in these things, like whatever I mentioned, you can choose anyone and then you can try that out. Or if you want to explore any more things, so that also you can try, and you can then proceed with the things that you find interesting. Okay, is it any good to join workshops? Yes, it is like good workshop if it is relevant to your ideas or your interest. So if there is any, like if you are interested in web development and there is any workshop for React.js, so then I will suggest you to join that because that will be helpful if you are trying to advance yourself in the field of web development. Okay, hi Rideshwar. Is it necessary to apply intern in online or it's enough to do intern in college? Yes, it is enough to do intern in college, but as I told that there are very few people who get internship from on college. If I talk about private companies, private colleges, and even if it is a government college like IITs and ITs, all of the students are not able to get internships from on campus. So if you are not able to get internship from on campus, like if from the college, so then you can try off campus internships also. Can you share your grade history and grades from VTOP? Okay. Okay, so that was all for this video, and I'll be making small groups for or of around 5 to 10 people, and I'll also be doing some mock interviews and resume reviews. So if you